Remember, if you like it, you should share it. And if you make it, you can wear it. Thanks again, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, hit these edges one more time. This was actually a rough cut, so not bad for a rough cut. Cool. Reboot. Alright, so we'll get this one inside, this one on the top of here. This gets stitched down up there. Oh, I need to do these stitch lines, stitch groove. Because that will actually get stitched, and it will get stitched to this one. We'll go ahead and go all the way, even though it's only going to be in the middle. Oh man, something popped in my hand. It'll only get sewn like right there, but that's cool. This one still is a little bit damp. It's been abused with all the plan changes. I guess I could cut out little templates of all these pieces now, so next time it's easier. Cool. Say what you will, it's not for everyone. Mother's aluminum mag polish on a piece of leather strapped to a board. You've seen it before. I'll put it in every video. I don't mind. And then strop a brand new razor blade as if you can get it sharper. Can you make it surgically sharp? Yes, indeed. This is how you cut saddle skirt and some of the thickest leather. Wipe that off. That's got to be the sharpest thing on the planet right there. Now put that in your little knife. Let's wipe it off away from the sharp edge. Easy. Slide that in our little knife. We are ready for business. Yes, strap your new blade. Having a hard time finding the brass D-rings on Amazon, and I really don't feel like getting out. I don't feel like in the right size and in the right timeline, and I don't feel like getting out. So I saw this where you take your little torch and heat up a piece of metal, move Coda, and then brush it with a brass brush, and it looks like, from here it looks like it's working a little bit. Can't remember if you're supposed to heat the brush also or just the metal. Melted that brush a little bit. Let's give her another shot. Let's get them on there. Grabbed a little stretch, stitched them up, wrapped the strap, stitched it up. It didn't expand as much as I wanted to, but that's actually an appropriate size for this little shoulder bag. Bend it a little bit. And then once we get the top flap attached to know exactly where it will go, and yeah, that'll be perfect. It'll leave it up in the air a little bit. Cool. keeper. Borrow a little tip off of the strap. The eagle tie. Oh yeah. Remember, if you like it, you should share it. And if you make it, you can wear it.
Rock on.
Thanks again, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment. Tell me how goofy I am. Whatever you want to say. Let's get this channel going. Thanks again.